Hey guys, it's Alex here. Today I have our 2015 Holden Commodore VF SV6 Storm. It being an SV6, under the bonnet there you've got a 3.6 litre V6. You got your LED daytime running lights. You got your front parking sensors across the front there. Coming down to the wheels, you have beautiful 18-inch alloys just to provide you with a nice, comfy ride. All our pre-owned vehicles undergo a thorough 101 mechanical inspection test, which is conducted by certified mechanics. You got some Storm badging down there. Jumping into the rear, being the Storm, you have a full leather and suede interior. You got your aircon in the back there to keep your rear occupants nice and comfy. Coming around to the back, you got your reverse camera and rear sensors just to match those front parking sensors, just to make parking that whole lot easier. Jumping to the boot, you got plenty of boot space there. You got your child anchorage points there, as you can see, and a cargo blind just for that added privacy. Coming into the front, you got your touchscreen display there, all your controls and little bits and pieces, climate control, cruise control. As I said, being the Storm, you get a completely different interior than your standard SV6. Just gives it a very, very nice sporty look. As you can see up there, you got your Storm badging up there embroidered into the leather. Got carbon fibre trim. Beautiful car, plenty of reasons to buy. Not many of these floating around anymore. We are a family-run, multi-franchise, award-winning dealership with a brilliant reputation to protect. So be certain you can buy with us with complete confidence. Please note we are also complying with all current government rules and restrictions surrounding COVID-19 to keep our staff safe and of course you guys as customers safe. So if you're interested, get in touch today and we'll be more than happy to take you through our 2015 Holden SV6 Storm.